Hi, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com. We're doing a little introduction video today to talk about our company and some of the programs we have, some of the services that we offer our customers, and how we can help save you a ton of money on any home floor covering project, or if you happen to be in the market to purchase an area rug online. Our site, again, it's called bestrugprices.com, and what we do is, we offer people all kind of buying tips, maintenance tips. We have an awesome blog page that we post new articles on and information on constantly, and we'd be thrilled that if you check us out and allow us to share with you some of our tips that we've picked up on from many years in the business. So what I thought I'd do today is show you one little buying tip that could save you all kind of time when you're first getting going with a floor covering project, and how to best shop. So let me flip over to our blog page here, and we've got a new article out that just came out. Again, our website's called bestrugprices.com. And this latest blog post is flooring trends for 2020. And in this article, we go over what's been selling this year, some of the trends that we're seeing. But what I wanted to show you in particular was we have a video within this post that talks about a trick to help save you all kind of time. So imagine if you're shopping for hardwood floors, for example, and you've decided that you want to redo a family room in your house, and you want to take out the carpet and you want to put in hardwood floors. But you really, that's all you've decided. You have no idea what kind of product you want to put in there, or what color, or anything like that. So you walk into one of your local floor covering stores, and as soon as you walk in, you see rows and rows of hardwood samples in the store. And so you're greeted by a salesperson who's working on commission and is going to try to sell you the most expensive thing in the store. And they start showing you hundreds and hundreds of different samples. Every one of them has a different name to it. The different manufacturers have different names for their warranties and so forth. And before you know it, you're going to find yourself completely overwhelmed, because there's just so many different products to look at. You don't have any idea how expensive things are. You don't know what colors you want. I mean, it can really be quite overwhelming. Well, one of the tricks that most people don't know about is that nowadays manufacturers, the vast majority of them anyway, on their websites have what's called a room visualizer. So it's really a neat program, and I want to show you real quick how it works and how it can save you all kind of time. So I just picked one of the hardwood manufacturers in the marketplace, and I'll flip over to that screen. Kentwood Flooring is the name of the company, and I'm on their website now. And on their site, they have something they call a lookbook right here. And I've gone to that page, and what you can do with this program, and it's not just on Kentwood, most of the manufacturers will have a feature like this on their website, where you can take your cell phone and you can take a picture of your family room. And then what you do is you upload that picture on to the room visualizer page. So let's just do that. I just randomly picked a picture here, but I'm going to go over here to their lookbook, and it says upload my room. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to find my picture here. So let's say, for example, that this is your family room, and this is the type of floor you have in it right now, and you want to change that floor. So rather than going into the store and being overwhelmed with not knowing which color you're looking for or anything like that. What you can do is, instead of, before you call your flooring store, before you go in there, you call that flooring store up and you introduce yourself. You want to talk to a salesperson. So you just explain to them what you want to do, and you ask them what hardwood manufacturers do they have in their store with samples and displays. And they're going to give you probably 2 or 3 or 4 names of big manufacturers that they carry. And so let's say one of them is Kentwood Flooring. So instead of just walking in blind, you sit at home in the comforts of your own home. You upload this picture of your family room here, and then you start shopping on the Kentwood website. So as you can see here on the left, they have a lot of their products. So let's say you like this red oak starling product for down here at the bottom. So you just click that, and then all of a sudden your picture turns in to this floor. It's an incredibly cool feature. Or let's say you like this Brush North American hardwood product. Click that, and it switches to that. So it's really cool. So now you can actually see what these products are going to look like with a picture of your own room. So instead of just going into the store and just wandering around lost, what you do is you spend some time at home on the computer. You use this room visualizer program, and then you pick the colors that you like. You write down the name or the color name of the products that you like, and then you go to your local flooring store and you tell that salesperson, I've already been online to the Kentwood website, and I want to take these 3 or 4 colors home because I really like them, and I want the real samples and see what they look like in my home. And that will save you hours upon hours of time looking around in a store and just aimlessly lost. So this is just kind of one trick that we use and that we offer our customers and kind of explain to people how to do in our flooring and decor blog. So we certainly invite you to our site. It's bestrugprices.com, and you'll see a page let me flip up there. If you go to our main home page, here it is, and then right here is our floor and decor blog, and we offer all kind of articles on floor covering. So thank you very much for the time, and we look forward to seeing you on our website.